I am Mihkel.
Hello, I'm Christian.
And this is our June Dev Talk. First of all, I would like to give a big thanks to everyone who has liked, shared and commented on our previous Dev Talks. We appreciate it very much. Thank you. Now, couple of news. We have settled the date for our Kickstarter launch, and it is 6th of September. Of course, there could be some delays as usual, but we are trying to keep this date fixed. And the good news is that we are going to add some more rewards. We are going to publish Adventures of Badass, a book called The Gods to Be. If you haven't read it, you can go to our webpage and check the story. Then you can see what I am talking about. We are going to publish it in paper version also, and it's going to be first Estonian in paper and then in English later on. The PDF version or digital version that we are going to add to Kickstarter rewards is going to be in English, of course, so don't worry. And if you like Estonian PDF version, then you can contact us. Maybe we can throw it in for you if you really want it. And next, we participated in Estonian Game Developers Summer Conference. It was a great event. We are very happy that we went there because it was a first one for us. We got some very good contacts, ideas, and got a good boost to go forward much faster with our project also. So very big thanks to organizers, especially Andres. For this Game Dev Summer Conference, we also made our first t-shirts with Mortalis logo. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. We'll put in this Dev Talk also a picture so you can see it properly. Okay, and that's for the news. Now, next, introduction of our team. As we promised, we are going to introduce every team member we have step by step. And the first one is here.
Hey, my name is Agur, and I'm the lead writer in Mortalis team. What I like in game development? I like great stories. I'm a writer. And worlds, different worlds, characters, and of course, action. And adventures. And why I am the lead writer in Mortalis team? It's because the backstory based on one of my book series. It's a very good book series. It's in here it's a shared world, and here is lots of authors who contributed in this world. It's different genres: fantasy, steampunk, science fiction, lots of monsters, beautiful women. It's a very good series. And why? Because Stalker Award, Estonian best science fiction award. This book series got them, and more than one. one day when our game is playable and online, and I myself playing the game, I'd like to hack and slash, of course, run and kill, wander around, discover the world, and create something big, a civilization, something that other players can use as well, some social value, something that would last for years. And of course I would not do it alone, but with other players, because that's what civilization creating is. MMO.
Yes, and now we'll continue introducing our game core ideas, and this time we will cover the build the world and create its story. Last time we covered immersion and equality, but there is 2 more steps to go. So the theme's point is your surroundings are defined by you and your actions and decisions. So what it means is everything what are you doing is some kind of meaning, or can somehow disturb the environment or things around you, or what you touch or what you do there. So first there is sci-fi fantasy elements. So all our players are human clones. So all your looks like same because you're clones, but you will evolve. So you have high technologies because you were up there in the sky and learn the things, but something happened and now you are the new planet and you have to start from scratch. And this high skill knowledge, pretty useless right now. Maybe later you can somehow use them. But first, yeah, imagine if you didn't know anything about life in the wild and you get there. So it's pretty harsh, I think. So there is so many pictures already here. So it's very, very interesting. And because everything is like, if you go to the wild forest where the trees are fallen and everything is like grown like it is, and you have to start building this civilization from scratch. There is no cities, no towns, maybe some ruins somewhere. You have to start collecting some same like-minded people and start little settlement and grow it bigger. Some settlements maybe they want to stay small. Someone more ambitious ones wants to grow very big, maybe cities later, I don't know. And you can think whatever role you want to be part of that. Ask yourself, what did you do if you were there? Are you some kind of grafter or hunter or adventurer, or what the hell you do there to build up this civilization? Maybe you want to tear down this civilization. We don't know that. So, and everything, imagine that, everything is player made. Everything. Basic tools, buildings, and later even high-tech machinery And you have to start to understand where are you going first, because start is maybe very simple, but if you go little by little, there is this rabbit hole goes very, very long. The game only provides resources, what I want to say. So there is mostly what you find in our world is resources, even if you kill monsters. And rarely, if some monsters have killed players and took their made tool or weapon or whatever, and you kill this monster later, then maybe have a chance to get this fully made thing, but still it's player made, so yeah, it's very interesting. Imagine now you have this settlement, little one, no, let's say it's village. There has to be someone who is leading this village. Let's say it's so-called governor or city chief, village chief, or so. Most games, if you want to be this high rank person there, you almost can't, because this is only for the big clans. Only big boys can, or you have to be very, yes, mostly good faction or clan. So we want to do that. This head of the village or city, it will change every single month. So, and can be anyone, even, I don't know, chef, woodcutter, simple craftsman, hunter, whoever wants, and people will vote. And there is voting system. Not ordinary, but yeah, there is. Later, can't talk it from now, that thing. But voting system is very interesting. What I can say is that this voting system will allow anyone to win if they have put enough effort to this community. More effort you put, more vote points you get, and there is some details. So the main thing is, if you never have had a chance to be a city head or whatever you want, governor, now it's your chance. And if you are there, people see this 1 month how well you did, and what kind of quest you give the people, and yeah, there is. I want already to deep dive the systems, but it's not wise to do right now. So also resources. Most games there is resources what will be in the same spot where you took them last time. Say you cut down the tree, and after, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 hours, the tree is back there. How? No, there is no tree. You cut it down. It's gone. Finito. or rocks or plants and everything. If you take down the tree and you kill the animal, you kill the mob, it's not that you killed 10 monsters and after 20, 30 seconds you look and they're back there. We hate that kind of thing. No. Where the hey, there is no, I don't know what. So no. That's. What about my job then? I did so much to kill these or chop these trees down. No, they're back. No, they're not back. So you have to, when you find something valuable, take it if you can and bring it home. Because next time it won't be there. And yeah, this will make the game so much more interesting and adventurous. So much imaginations here.
You need to cultivate resources back.
True. This is a thing that player can do. Player can cultivate. There may be little chance that the tree grows in the area somewhere, but if you want certain results, you have to, yes, do it yourself. If you can put, yeah, Mikael?
Yeah, and for some minerals and stuff that are not growing, or you can't grow them and cultivate, we have mechanics to bring these regularly back to the game, but they rarely are in the same spot as they were earlier. So, yeah.
True. And the quest system. Yes. Our quest system is to personalize user experience. So AI is observing you and your play style and what do you like to do, and then these quests will be best for you. Also, like we have maybe talked already, the quests are not you can't get same quests like everyone. The quests are almost like a price, like you go to the job interview, everyone do not get the job, only one or two. So same here. And people can make the quests. Also, skill tree is not same for everyone. So AI is checking what are you doing, what kind of way you are going more, and open you 2-3 new opportunities to choose. Mikael, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I want to just add that the goal here is that the user experience is not same for everyone. It should be as unique as possible for every player, and that's why the quests and skill tree are not the same. As much as possible, they are different, and also we want to provide you possibility to get good feeling when you upgrade your skills. That that the game provides you opportunities to upgrade these skills that you use most, or that what's important for you, not random skills that are same for everyone, or even or also quests. Yeah.
Yes, and from there is social element, social systems. So in order to advance, players need to both there is personal social quests and mix to like talk with others and do things with others. Reputation is very important coming there among players and NPCs. So, how do you socialize with NPCs? How do you talk with them? And how are you keeping your word and everything? Also, players can give reputation and ratings. So everything you do, there could be consequences. So yeah, we want that if, let's say, if you truly are bastard, you really want to screw up the community, then yeah, people will know it. NPCs will know it. you don't get these or that kind of advantages anymore. And yeah, there is like in real life, you have to think. Do you just go shoot people, or or maybe it's wiser to talk first and yeah,
Later.
shoot first and talk later.
Or yeah.
But who to talk? I don't know. So yeah.
Yeah.
Trustworthy is about NPCs and people is very important. So building the world, like building, whatever builds are you doing, and creating its story. The story is your reputation, your social status, and also the story is maybe you are cultivating one I don't know area near the city, and there is almost lush nature and trees and vegetable. And this is your story. People will know you, or maybe you are very good hunter, or you do some actions in the woods that some kind of things in the nature happen, so other gatherers can benefit, can tell you more. There's also you can create the story, so it's not only words created story. No, there is so much behind that. So and yes,
Also
we
the
have
quests. You can assign quests for other people and or give quests or provide opportunity to take your quest, and yeah, that's also part of this.
and this question this time is, what is your dream role in or MMORPGs that would inspire to play that game? So, what is your dream role in MMORPG that would inspire you to play that game? Think about it.
And meanwhile, have fun
And play some games.